Good morning to all SITMs. This is regarding 2 days training which is going on in our college from 17th yesterday, that is Saturday and Sunday, 17th and 18th of October 2015, with the support of our beloved chairman Uday Shankar Shetty sir and Principal of the college Dr. Ravi Son sir. Under his support, we have conducted 2 days training, which is been given by Universal Power Controls headquartered in Tumkur. They are giving the training on the topic switchgear and protection. Yesterday it is already started. It is going on. Let us have a practical session of the workshop which is going on. Here, let us meet Dr. Shivanand
from Universal Power Controls.
Under his guidance only training is going on. He is delivering the training for the last 2 days. And his colleague Mr. Basavaraju. With the support of Mr. Basavaraju, everything is going on smoothly. Let us have the practical session overlook. Share your knowledge about, share your experience about the session which is going on for the last 2 days. Professor Satish sir will explain his experience about the training. Ready, sir? How you feel about this training, 2 days training? What is the use apart from this? Let us share the knowledge.
So it's helpful for our future. As for we are in our course we are studying only theoretical, but here we come to know how the circuits will realize, how the circuits will work, and here we will realize that how the circuits are operating, and what the main aim of the experiment might be, how the motor will rotate in a clockwise and how to rotate it is in a anti-clockwise direction, everything, and how the cranes and elevators and lifts are rotating. We are studying and we are realizing everything, and it is helpful for our future.
Thank you.
ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ತಿರ್ಸ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ.
Circuit diagrams. With the circuit diagrams, some more knowledge students are getting. Here is the LCD projector. Whatever the materials they are having, they are just displaying on the screen using the projector. Dimana, let us share your experience. Was it useful 2 days training? Please share your opinions. Come forward. Was it useful for you people?
Yes sir, it's very useful for us for going job for core section.
You say in Kannada, not a problem. We want your views, your opinions.
ಈ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದರೆ ನಮಗೇನು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಗೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾನಲ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಆಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಕೋರ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Sumaya, how was the and how is session going on? What are the benefits you have got from this? Let us share your opinions and knowledge.
First of all, it is very helpful now. Practically, we are doing the engineering aspects, and by doing this, technically, what are the problems, what are the solution, how to troubleshoot them, everything we are learning. And today is the second day. It is really very good. And finally, I thank our first HOD sir who initiated this. Then our principal sir really called them these people here. And finally, I thank the some people who are here to train us.
Okay. First, you have to prepare the test lab. Okay. After preparing the test lab, you will get output that one you have to input to OLRNC. And another wire you have to give it to neutral. All the wires you short it, then give it to neutral. Right? Then output of OLRNC is given to off push button. Off push button output is to on push button. On push button to KM to NC. Output of KM to NC is connected to KM1 coil. This is completed. Now you go to next. Then on NO. After KM3. And you have to write that. KM3. This one KM1. KM3 output is connected to KM1 NC. KM1 output is connected to KM2. Then afterwards this is hold on contact KM1. From there it is connected to KM. Now circuit is completed. Right? Afterwards you have to push the push button. Hold for 10 seconds. Right? After 10 seconds then you first lines are this is semi-automatic to reduce the starting time. Okay? Go ahead. Now your motor is running in main start. Hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you should enjoy that. No, I'm telling you. No, your attention please. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕರು ಶುಡ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ದಟ್. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನಿಂತಿಲ್ವಾ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ದಟ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್
Say some more.
You can connect the ammeter and you can check the RAM started.
ಆಂಬಿಯರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಬೇಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಯುವರ್ ಅಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್, ಯುವರ್ ಅಟೆನ್ಷನ್. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮೋಟರ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಲೀಡ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಇನ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್. ಔಟ್ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಎನಿ 2 ಲೀಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಇನ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ನಾಟ್ ಔಟ್ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್. ಔಟ್ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಔಟ್ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, MCB ಇದ್ರೆ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ it will get burned, right? For that purpose always you have to change the leads in the incoming only or the change of that. And how to connect the ammeter?